Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer salary to employee's account by Dhofar. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to transfer salary via Dhofar, what you need to do first is ensure you have a business or corporate account. So to do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Bank Dhofar corporate login, then tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now here, salary transfers can only be made from a business or corporate account with Bank Dhofar. Make sure your account has sufficient funds for all salaries and associated lists. The next is collect employee account details. Before transferring, you need employee full name, bank name, account number or IBAN number. IBAN is required for Omani banks, and optionally mobile number or email address for notification. Make sure all details are correct to avoid failed transfers. And next is to choose a payment method. Bank Dhofar offers several methods for salary payment. Number one is Bank Dhofar corporate internet banking. So simply log into your Bank Dhofar corporate or business internet banking and then go to payments or transfers. Then select payroll or bulk payments. Then upload a salary file or enter employee's details manually. Then specify the amount for each employee and review and confirm the transfer. Then authorize using OTP, token or digital approval. Next is Bank Dhofar branch or manual transfer. Visit your nearest Bank Dhofar branch. Ask for salary transfer or payroll service. Then submit employee salary details. Can be via Excel or CSV, and bank staff will process the salary payments and provide a receipt. Next is Bank Dhofar payroll service, which is optional. Bank Dhofar also offers dedicated payroll services for businesses. They can automatically process monthly salary payments for employees if you provide the list and amounts, and contact Dhofar corporate service to enroll in the service. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.